we've developed this flexible rubber infill which will go into that hole, into that gap, and close it up. So all we do is we will just use a bit of dishwashing liquid and a bit of water and just give it a little bit of moisture down through there, and you'll see the top end and the bottom end, so the wedge goes in, of course. Goes in there, like that. Very simple. Just keep wetting it. Stretch it out a little bit to make it a little bit thinner on the corner.
Just move your elbow back. Let's push it away from you there.
Push it in. Yeah. Push it down in there. Nice and finished. Nice and simple. A tidy finish to that. Otherwise I could get